Does the thought of having the kids home with you for a week or two through the holiday season instill fear? No need to be afraid. Coming up with some creative holiday crafts can alleviate boredom and keep everyone entertained or out of trouble or from otherwise engaging in endless scraps. I'm Erin for Best Buy Canada's blog and techgadgetscanada.com, and if the thought of finger painting, glitter glue, and sharp needles threaded through dried cranberries is enough to drive you into a meltdown, the truth is, if you have a printer, you've got Christmas crafts. I recently had a chance to test out and review the new HP Tango printer. This compact, smart color printer can be your gateway to all kinds of holiday fun and entertainment. Check out these ideas for how to use your printer to entertain the whole family.
You can start with HP's Smart app. It's got holiday fun preloaded. Use the app to download and print activity sheets, puzzles, even snowflake templates you can cut out and use to decorate the house. I printed some out on decorative scrapbooking paper for some extra glitz and glitter. If basic snowflakes aren't your thing, search Google for Star Wars snowflake templates. You can find these free templates that create the coolest Star Wars style snowflakes, and these are the snowflakes you'll be looking for.
There are all kinds of printable ornaments to be found online. Look for free ones or download the files for small fees from places like Etsy. Print them on paper or cardstock or even decorative craft or scrapbooking paper. I'm also making a wide paper poinsettia garland using this template I found online. You can print the stencil out on red or green paper or cardstock, then glue them together and then string them up just about anywhere. HP's website also has some cute stencil templates you can print and then cut out as well to use as decorating templates for dusting cookies or cakes with icing sugar.
These simple-to-make decorative paper medallion ornaments are actually really beautiful. Print them out on simple colored paper or lightweight cardstock so that it can handle the folding needed, then cut them out and trim the holes. They get folded into discs and hung up with string. Want to build a holiday village or forest for your Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer playset? Print out this simple tree stencil and cut out the shapes, then fold the tree sides together and glue it for a crisp 3D evergreen tree that stands up on its own. You can also use your printer to print out cute holiday cards or even gift tags.
Another great way to use your printer at home, or let's be honest, at the office? Coloring sheets. I found all kinds of coloring pages you can print out for the holidays. Just search for free options on Google, or you can use the HP Holiday Kit. Now, if you don't have a printer, you've probably still got scissors, which means you can make these mid-century modern style ornaments I found. I saw them originally made using strips of felt, but if you've got paper, these work just fine and they're really chic. You basically just cut 5 strips of paper into 3 different sizes. The 2 on the outside are the longest, the 2 in the middle are slightly shorter, and the 1 in the center is the shortest of all. Now all the pieces are basically clipped together at the ends. You can use rivets or eyelets or just glue or tape or staples like I did here. If you've got ideas for how to use your printer to keep the kids busy this holiday season, we'd love it if you'd share that information in comments below. You can also read more on all the printable crafts we've got at blog.bestbuy.ca. And you can also find the links to some of the templates and ideas that we've shown you here too. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Erin. You can catch me on Twitter or Instagram until the next time. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always find me at facebook.com/techgadgetscanada.